Yeah.
Day 3? Day 2? Day 2.
Day 2.
We're going to a village and a waterfall. Yay. I'm sarcastic, I don't know why. It's gonna be awesome.
2 hours later.
Can you tell everyone where we are?
We are about an hour outside Luang Prabang. I actually don't know. At a school. We're at a school. I know that much. And we're about to go trekking.
No, they teach them in your language lah.
ตอนนี้อยู่ในส่วนภาษาลาวเนาะส่วนในภาษาอังกฤษบ่มีเนาะ
We would say in America, country, that's country. So we would say in Malaysia, kampung, buntut kampung. Okay? We're in the middle of nowhere. So we now just turned off the trail here. Yeah. You know, those kids in the school were so adorable. My director has feedback. This is rubber tree, topo gatao. Topo gatao, rubber tree in Bahasa. Iris and Laiwan are talking off with our guide. Kind of hang back, take some photos, but it's very interesting talking to him. He's a farmer in the off seasons, and when he gets tours, he does the tour guides. But he's saying not a lot of people come to Laos anyways, but they should. This alone, this trek through the mountains to the hills is wonderful. Walking for about 3, maybe 4 hours, about 3 hours now. Alright, and we're about to enter into about 1 kilometer away maybe from Kuangsi, I don't know how to say it, waterfall.
That's my lizard impression.
How's it going? You made it to the top?
Yeah, we made it!
I think we made it. We made it to the bottom. Started at the top, now we're down at the bottom. Oh wait, it goes the other way, right? Started at the bottom, now we're up at the top. I don't know Drake songs. I'm really not that cool. But anyhow, we're 10 kilometers through the jungle. This is part of our reward. The second reward comes later. We're gonna go swimming in the waters, but we're at the, what is it called? Kuangsi Waterfall. So as you can see, it's made famous because of in the dry season, the limestone runs off and turns the water this beautiful turquoise blue. So it's very exciting. I'm looking forward to going swimming in it. Spinorama, make you sick. Oh, some local Laotians are laughing at me. I would too. Bit of a rush. Beat the rain. I'm late, so I'm not gonna get the tripod, but again, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful waterfalls. And I should know every tour book would tell you to come here. And it is touristy, but it lives up to the hype. And now we're at the end. So we started about 10 o'clock this morning, 10 kilometer trek through the jungle, went swimming in the waterfalls, and now We're at the exit, so back to Luang Prabang to relax, and tomorrow we head up into the mountains again to visit another village.